content outsourcing best practices. Content marketing is one of the most important skills you can master online because content drives subscribers and sales, and it helps build your brand. The trouble is, you need a lot of content to build and maintain a successful website or blog. This being the case, there are various methods smart business owners use to get the content they need to keep growing their business strategically. Outsourcing is one of the best and most affordable options. If you don't already know it, you can be forgiven for asking. What is outsourcing? Content outsourcing refers to hiring someone to provide content for you. If a so-called hired help was to write articles or a book on your behalf, this person is commonly known as a ghostwriter. He or she does the work and you take the credit by putting your name on the finished product as the author. There are many freelancing websites available with talented writers offering their services. The question is, how do you decide who to hire? It is also a question of when to hire them and how much you can expect to pay, especially if you have a small budget. But you might ask, why outsource? If you are not a good writer or you are spending too much time creating content and not enough time doing all the other things you need to do in order to run a successful online business, it's time to outsource. If you do not have the skills to create certain types of content, such as videos, graphics, PDFs or whatever, or it takes too long to complete any task, then outsourcing is perfect for you. Other types of content to outsource which require certain skills include anything and everything that you cannot manage to do yourself, or do it within a reasonable time frame. It's important that you communicate well with other people. Don't expect people to read your mind. Write out a script or instructions, or give the outsourcer a couple of examples of what you would like them to create for you, and they should be able to do the rest. Be responsive if they ask questions. Make sure you are offered revisions. Some outsourcers will charge for revisions. This is a poor take-it-or-leave-it attitude on their part, and you'd be better off steering clear of this type of person. Guaranteed and free revisions mean you can change things without paying more. Who to choose? When it comes to choosing freelancers, you have a number of different opportunities. Fiverr.com is ideal for quick and easy projects, and should you need a larger task attending to, you can get that done too. Upwork.com is a good choice for more detailed projects. Each outsourcer should have a portfolio of the work or a link to it. Read their reviews and see if they have any badges of merit or other items which indicate they are professional and capable. How much will you pay? Fiverr starts at $5 plus an added fee to the website, but some offerings do run into the hundreds of dollars, all depending on the detailed nature of the individual project. You should see ratings and reviews about the outsourcer and also check to see how many tasks are in their queue. The best workers do get booked up ahead of time, so you might have to wait a couple of weeks. Upwork uses a bid process. The cost usually starts at around $60. Be sure you are clear about what you want people to bid on, and it is a good idea to include a code word they need to use in their bid to prove that they have actually read the assignment.